Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss about Wildlife Protection Act in India. First, we discuss the wildlife. Wildlife traditionally refers to undomesticated animal species, but has come to include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems. This includes such animals as domesticated cats, dogs, mice, and gerbils. What are the benefits of wildlife? It promotes pollination and continuity of native plant species. It promotes medicinal values. It has aesthetic benefits. It's fun and entertaining. Preserves heritage and culture. It promotes tourism attraction. Protection of biodiversity and endangered species are very benefits for us. And what is the difference between forest conservation and wildlife conservation? Forest conservation is a vast area. It's the conserve forest only. Measures are taken to conserve forest. But in wildlife, the conservation of wild animals, plants, and other living beings present in the forest. Many sanctuaries and parks are created to provide the animals with their habitats and protect them. How do we protect wild animals or wildlife? What are the ways to protect the wildlife? One of the easiest and most effective ways to help wildlife is to preserve the environment in which the animals live, that is in situ conservation. Next, participate in our Hold Your Own Local Trash Cleanup to help protect the habitats of endangered species and other wildlife. We should practice, reduce, reuse, and recycle and save energy. Why do we need wildlife? We know without plants and animals, our lives without not be possible. Oxygen, clean water, and soil, food, clothing came from flora and fauna. We domesticated some wild animals to become our livestock, providing milk, meat, and clothing. The Wildlife Protection Act, enacted in India 1972, it has long title Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The acts provide for the protection of wild animals. Not only the protection of wild animals, birds, plants, and for matters connected therewith or ancillary or incidental thereto with a view to ensuring ecological and environmental security of the country. Salient features of the Act. This Act provides the appointment of Wildlife Advisory Board and the Wildlife Warden. And also it discusses the Wildlife Warden's duties, responsibilities, and power of the Wildlife Warden. And also it listing the endangered wildlife species was done for the first time, and prohibition of hunting of the endangered species was mentioned in this act. There are 6 schedules in the Wildlife Protection Act. Out of these 6 schedules, Schedule 1 and Part 2 of the Schedule 2 provide absolute protection, and offense under there are prescribed the highest penalties. But in Schedule 3 and 4 are less, and these animals are protected. What are the importance to protect wildlife? Or why is it important to protect wildlife? Conservation of wildlife is important to protect the endangered plants and animals along with their natural habitat. The main concern is to preserve the habitat so that the future generation of wildlife and human can enjoy it. How many animals are extinct? The experts calculate in between 200 million and 2000 million extinction occur in every year. That means in between 200 and 2000 million different species on our planet extinct in every year. There are so many values of wildlife. Those values that result from the ways in which animals interact with the biosphere and the geosphere. These include pollination, nutrient cycling, pest control, and many other wildlife values. How can we protect forest and wildlife? Wildlife can be conserved by developing protective areas such as national park, wildlife sanctuaries to protect the animals in their natural habitat. The endangered and vulnerable species can be kept in captivity in places such as zoos and bred to increase their population. Why government has made a law for protecting wild animals? The Government of India enacted Wildlife Protection Act in 1972 with the objectives to effectively protect the wildlife of the country and to control poaching, smuggling, and illegal trade in wildlife and its derivatives. So, the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted for protection of plants and animal species. This act has 6 schedules. Schedule 5 includes the animals which may be hunted. The specified endemic plants, Scheduled 6, also prohibited from cultivation and planting. Students, these are the main or important points of Wildlife Protection Act in India.